Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can delete from your Gmail account from some other device. Please subscribe to our channel and also put likes and write comments after watching this video. Let's get to our topic. First of all, let's open Gmail on the device. Next, at the top, we're going to click on our image. After that, we'll need to click Manage Your Account. Underneath the photo at the bottom, we will see sections like this. We will need to swipe them to the side and find Security. After that, scroll down a little bit until we find the Our Devices section, where we can see all the devices that we've logged into our Gmail account from. And down here at the bottom, we're going to click on Manage Our Devices. And this will have more advanced information about the device legends, when it was, what kind of device it was, and so on. And if you want to log out of some, then you need to click on it. Then you just need to click on that button. And you will instantly log out of your Gmail account from another device. For example, from your laptop or from another phone. This is the very simple way you can delete your Gmail account from someone else's device. I hope this video has helped you, friends. Write your comments, also put your likes, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.